Yo, what's going on, everybody? We're out here with Mr. Dustin.
Hi.
And today we're in LA. So today is going to be more of like a chill video, a little vlog section going on. Since Dustin needs to do a little bit of shopping, we're going to hit some sneaker shops, a little bit of clothing shops here and there. But I kind of just wanted to see if it's possible to flip shoes that we find from sneaker stores. So the first store that we're going to check out today is Holy Ground Shop in Upland, California. So this is the homie Andrew's store. I've never been to his physical location. I've just been following him on Instagram, seeing him grow the channel and seeing him grow as like a business. So I want to go ahead and check it out. So let's go ahead and check out Holy Ground. Let's go. Bruh, what are you doing? What are these? Why do they look like this? Hey, I feel like you're low-key decreasing the value. You see that crease in the back?
It's my foot, dude.
You have to buy it now. You have to buy it. Ooh. Look at these Chicago ones. Oh my goodness. Straight cut up. I don't know what happened there. But these things, wow. Display piece. We got Bart Simpson up here. Fell down. Let me just put you back up. Right there. Shout out Angelus. All right, guys. I went ahead and bought all of these shoes right here. Got a little bit of merch from the Holy Ground. And we also have, boom, Mr. Andrew here,
yes,
the owner. Thank you so much, bro.
Of course. No, thank you. Thank you, Alex, for coming by, lowballing me on all my products. I'm just kidding. No, Alex came by, took a bunch of stuff. And yeah, we had fun, chilled, talked, and then he's about to go hit up our Brea store. So if you guys want to check out our Brea store, you know, everything's going to be down the... No, I'm just kidding.
No, I got you. All of the links, because you could shop with them online. So I'll leave their shop and their Instagram in the description down below if you guys want to check it out.
Please check us out, Holy Ground Shop. We're out in Upland, California, and then our new one is out in Brea, California, also in Orange County. So we got two websites. We got deals on both of them, Saturday deals every single time. Alex was able to pick up some. And yeah, hope to see you guys here. Hope to see you soon.
Make sure you check them out, guys. And shout out to cameraman. Cameraman's doing all the work.
Yes, please. Check out our YouTube.
Yeah. The YouTube channel's popping. Buyouts, store
buyouts,
videos.
We buy stuff. We trade stuff. We just like to have fun, kick it, mess around, do all that kind of fun stuff. So day in the life of the shop. So go ahead, check it out. Yeah, the YouTube channel name is Sneak Peek, or also if you just type in Holy Ground, it should pop up.
Link down below. Okay, guys, I think we cashed out on 4 pairs of shoes. I'll do a breakdown at the end of the video. So huge shout out to Andrew, huge shout out to the homies that work at Holy Ground. It seemed like everybody was just so close to each other, like homies.
I felt like I knew them for like
10
exactly. years plus, bro.
We were talking to them for a while. I think we were there for like an hour and a half or 2 hours,
sure,
or something like that. Yeah, really cool people, super good prices. Upland is a little bit far from like LA and everything, but if you're looking for good deals on shoes,
it's worth it.
They got it. And they're not paying me to say this. We literally just dropped in, didn't even tell them that we were coming in, and I found so many good deals. So yeah,
even when we walked up, they had a line outside. We didn't even know what the hell was going on.
Today we caught it on a Saturday drop, so I guess every Saturday they do some steals, so anybody that waits in line, they're able to get some crazy steals. So some of the shoes that I got were from that Saturday steal thing. But again, I'll show you guys what I picked up at the end of the video. But right now we're probably just gonna go ahead and go to a different location. We're gonna figure it out. We'll tap in with you guys in a little bit. Let's go. We just pulled up to Holy Ground. This is the second location of Andrew's. We haven't seen you in a minute.
I know, man. I've been busy. I just moved to Milpitas. I'm Alex's neighbor now, so.
Hell yeah. All right, guys, let's go ahead and check out the second location and see if they have any steals and deals. So for the second store, it was mainly new shoes, so we couldn't really find too many steals. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. So usually when I go into a sneaker store, I always look at the used section. That's where you could typically find more of the steals and deals. But we caught the first store on a good day because it was a sale day today. But just letting you guys know, we're gonna keep the day moving though. We're at Brea Mall and we're just charging up the Tesla real quick. But we're getting hungry, so we're probably gonna go eat in a little bit. Just chilling. We're vlogging today. We're freaking vlogging right off of the iPhone. Straight off the iPhone. That's it. These are fire. I need a size 10. All right, if they got a size 10, I got it. All right, we just copped some Vomeros. Just got our Vomeros. Dustin got 2 pairs. I got my pair. I was looking for this color. I was about to settle for triple black, but shoot, now that I got these, we're good to go.
Best shoe of 2022/23.
That's what people are saying. I'm gonna do a video and I'm gonna do a real review on it. But now we're stepping into Riff OC. Let's go. So right here's the steel box. This is where you can find all like some of the worn stuff. Some new stuff is in here, but got white cement 4s, $375. Got some bread 4s right here, $400. A little bit pricey, but might be able to find something in here. Sometimes you just gotta dig for stuff. Got some top 3s, $300. Let's see. Space Jams, $275. Not too bad, a little bit yellow though. 8, some 6s. Do y'all see anything? Y'all see anything good? These 4s are huge. Size 13, $300. It's not looking promising in this section. Out of all these, I think maybe this pair, $375. It's a good deal. I'm gonna keep looking. There's a lot in this store. Like their setup is crazy. Jeff always be going crazy with his store setups. But I might just look through real quick, see what I can find. All right, so next stop is Syndicate, located in Chinatown in Los Angeles. This store is nice, it's tidy, it's pretty clean, and I come here for the worn steals. If you're looking for new shoes, it's gonna be market price, but the worn shoes, this is where you can make your money, or you could just buy something for a good price for personal. For example, these Concord 11s, $150. I could flip these on my site for $225. These Air Maxes are a little harder to move, but $75 is not a bad deal. I just moved a pair of Fire Red 4s for $300, so $250 is not bad for these. The Maroons were sitting for $125, and that's easily a $200 shoe all day. The 7210s could go for a quick flip. You could sell them for $240. They had them at the shop for $200. $125 for Olympic 7s is not bad, and the undefeated Dunks were only $90. I normally sell my Carmines for about $210, $215, so there's definitely some room to make money on these pairs. I don't know if I got that. They got the Baby Reimagined 3s sitting here. I'm not sure if they're sitting in like normal malls or whatever, but got them here. And then they got the GS size, or no, that's not GS. That's what is it? Is this Youth? Youth GS something, I don't know. Small size. Other than that, nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Just your typical shoe store. You said you clean your neighbor's gutters for those?
Yeah.
Cardinal 7s.
I would buy this, but I wouldn't wear it.
I think that's how a lot of people feel right now with shoes. I don't remember them being this tumbled. This tumbled is
No,
like...
it wasn't. I thought it was
smooth,
like
right?
smooth like this.
All right, guys, we just got home and I'm tired. I've been driving all day. Dustin's watching the game or something, so we're gonna see what Dustin's doing. Let's see.
Stress, bro. Up to...
We literally drove maybe like 45 minutes to go to bait. Dustin found this pair, asked him for an 11, and they gave him an 11 women's.
Bro, that's a 9.5 in men's. I'm a size 11 in men's.
It's a good thing I told you right now.
Bro, what the oh my god, dude.
But yeah, we were going through like all the stuff that we bought today, all that stuff, blah, blah, blah. Trying on my Vomeros.
Grand total of 2 shoes on
Oh, $366.
Grand total. Now I gotta go back and return one of them.
My boy got cucked.
What is this
Ooh.
thing?
All right, boys. It's time for dinner. So we're just gonna end the night off with a little boiling crab. We got some chicken wings. We got some shrimp. What'd you get? Lemon pepper?
No,
fries?
dude.
What is that?
I don't know.
What is that?
Can they smell?
I think that's crab. Actually.
Oh, that is crab fries. What's this?
Soft shell crab.
There's two crab fries?
I'm gonna end up with crabs too.
You already have crabs.
The next day.
All right, guys, let's just run down yesterday's pickings that we got. So we got the Thunder 4s. I got these more for a review. I don't mind keeping them, but I plan on just moving these for the price that I got them. So we paid $300 for these a little bit early, so just move them at 300. So we got the Thunder 4s. That one's just more for content. We also got Vomeros. I got those upstairs. These are all personal. So this one is pretty cool. I like this colorway. I don't think they had my size, but I'm probably gonna go around, try to see if I can get another pair of my size. But those are Dustin's, and these ones are Dustin's. I ended up getting this colorway as well. Super clean and super comfortable. So those are just personal pairs right there. Vomeros personals. These Taxi Jordan 1s we got for a stupid steal. I believe we got them for $140, which is under retail. So this one's just a quick little flip, quick little $25 profit flip. So I'm selling these for $165, I believe. $165. That's for anybody that's size 13, because I never have size 13s on my site. And we also got Zebras, $230. They're hitting for $350, I think, on StockX right now. So I'm selling them for $299. So we're making $70 on there. Also picked up these brand new Space Jams. They're going for about $450 right now on StockX. We got them at the shop for $280. So that's a stupid good price. Brand new, just no box. So I bought them for $280. I'm gonna sell them for $350 since they're going for $450 on StockX right now. So that is a quick come up. $350, $70 right there. $70 when these sell. I just listed them on my Instagram today, so we'll see. Sometimes shoes sit for a while, so it's not always an instant sell, but we got a decent amount of profit. I mean, just for having fun today and, like, you know, visiting sneaker stores, seeing what the prices were. There's a lot of good stores out there that you can make some money on. But that's about it. I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. I'm gonna start another vlog. Probably just gonna be on the vlog channel for today. So if you guys wanna check that out, make sure you subscribe to the vlog channel at SneakerHeadInTheBay Vlogs. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys very soon for the next one. I'm out. Peace.